So we're working on these Usmc Danner boots, size 10.5. As you can see, there's a lot of discoloring and there's some kind of sticky type of substance. I'm in a hotel right now. I'm on the road due to Hurricane Florence, but there's some kind of sticky substance on here. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it seems like it's tar and it will not come off these boots. If I had a X-Acto knife, I would just scrape it off because I'm probably gonna have to re-dye this entire boot for it to look good. Because you know, once you wet leather, it's never gonna get back the same original color. So I'm probably gonna end up having to re-dye these anyways. Where's my trash? Wait, I need to let me get that up real quick. You see, that stuff is not coming. Whatever that is, see, whatever this is. All right, we're back with the Danner Usmc boots that we were working on. Does not come off. As you can see, the cleaning did work. They're a lot brighter. The suede looks pretty clean. It looks pretty good. But the issue is, whatever this is that got caked on this boot is not coming off. I don't know what it is. I don't really want to touch it. But it is not coming off with soap and water. Who knows? People do buy trash boots, so maybe I don't have to actually re-dye these. These are structurally sound. There's no soles in there. I just noticed that there's no soles. So, but these boots are structurally sound. Somebody can still get some use out of them. So, you know, I'm probably will put them on the market just as is. Or if I do decide to get whatever that is off, I'm gonna definitely have to re-dye that suede, and not really sure how to do that. But I think for right now, we'll probably just sell these as is and move on.